this movement here, I want to isolate some of the movements in the pelvis, okay? Because I discovered with one of my clients here recently that we were sitting on the chairlift, and I wanted her to see if she could, just with her pelvis, make this knee move forward, okay? By steering, pulling back with the left leg and pushing the right forward, and then back, without much focus on the feet for right now, just to isolate this, okay? So this is a pelvic trunk muscle action, okay? So as we pull and push, my weight's gonna shift over the left leg. I'm pulling back and pushing down into the bench with my left leg and pushing forward with the right. So I'm engaging abdominal muscles. My knees are pointing to the right a little bit, so I have some inner thigh muscles engaged. Yeah, I like that. Instead of just forward, I want the rotation to happen with it too. So there's a little bit of rotation, just focusing on the muscles up in the waist and the abdominals. So to tell if you're doing it right, one knee will project out further from the chair than the other. Practice the movement a lot, and this may happen.